Okay, guys, I'm performing a resonance delete, the noise delete for Mini Cooper. It's only the Mini Cooper S, which is the turbo, that has this kind of issue, wherein the Mini, basically they put a resonator so you can hear the engine from the inside. There's one video that removes that, basically removing this item here. So what he did is to put a metal. I'm gonna go there. See, what he did is cut a metal like this. I bought it from any part store. You can go buy those from I bought this from O'Reilly. You can probably get this from AutoZone or any other you know parts store, auto parts. Anyway, what I did is what I'm doing right now. Instead of cutting like the video, the popular video, that guy is good. I'm not against that, but I'm against cutting this. What he did is cut this one and then cut this metal about 7 inches. But I don't need to do that. I want to retain this. This one, if you cut a metal like this, you're gonna remove this. But the problem is, this is not, all you have to do is cover this. So what I did to do that is buy this instead of this and then insert it here. See, it's a good. I haven't tried it yet. So the thing though is I don't want to cut. I don't want to cut this. I don't want to dispose this. These are expensive. This is about, so we say $100, $120. This is, I don't know, another 100. So what you can do is, this is 2 inches, 2 by 2, like that. 2 ID, probably intake and out, out, in and out, I guess. But you can see there's a like a widening, or the entrance is wide. So what I can do is basically insert a rubber here. Hold on. Let's see. I'm holding a camera now. I'll insert it and then let me do that. I'm gonna put it down for a while. Hold on. I'm putting this on for a while. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. Okay. This is an amateur video, so I haven't done this before. So, but you see, you can use your imagination in doing things. But basically, all you have to do is cut this flow here, cut the flow here. So instead of removing this top, you can just put this here. See that rubber there? You can buy that from any rubber. It can be round, just to restrict the flow of air. So put it there, and then see the diameter of this is about 2 inches. So if you drop that there like that, see that, and then now the hole there is blocked. So you don't need to cut this metal here. All you have to do is retain the old parts. You don't need to cut this, as indicated in the video of that good guy there. I'm not against that. You can do that too, I guess, because it's the same theory. The air flows. It's not passing through here, which the like the video said, it's just making a noise. Some people just like noise, but some people like me, I don't like noise. You know, I'm an old man. So all you have to do is go insert that, you know, it's the same thing. And you don't need to worry about anything. You know, the air there is not going to pass through because it's being, the air there, there's no air because it's being, there's a gap there like that. You know, when you insert this, like so, like that, it's just enough. So you know, there's no air gonna escape there. So this portion here is blocked by that pipe. See that? So I'm gonna try that rather than cutting this. There's too much work on this one. This one is minimal work. So this is an addendum to that video. You know, you can do that. You know, it's basically, I imagine, why will I waste this? You know, it's got a proper fit there. You know, well, that's all I can share. I'm gonna try that and probably let you know if it's working or, you know, I think it's gonna work. All right, okay, guys, thank you.